In this shoe custom episode, we have Deadpool. What's up, YouTube? This is Orlando, and in this project, we have a shoe designed by Miss Dzics. The shoe, a Converse All-Star High. The design, Deadpool. So let's check out this video. This is going to be real quick. Beautiful color shoes, one side red, the other black. We got a portrait of Deadpool on the front. You saw that we had some gunshots. Well, on the sides, we have some gunshots, and then, or actually the tongue tag, we have blood splatter. The artwork on the portraits are just amazing. You can see the details, the depth, the design, the highlights, just everything about this shoe, right? Or about this design is just beautiful. So, great work, Miss Dzics. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce this handle, but let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Great work, great shoe, love the movie. Can't wait to see Deadpool and Wolverine together, if that ever happens. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.